This is the second of 3 tutorial videos explaining how to support Lancaster Mennonite through its online auction. The auction is being held on BiddingOwl. Once you are registered with BiddingOwl, enter the web address for the Lancaster Mennonite auction, which can be seen here and can be found at the end of this video. If you are not already logged in, select Login at the top of the screen and enter your login credentials. If you have not already done so, it is also possible to register for a new account by clicking Register at the top of the screen. The previous video in this tutorial series explains how to register for a BiddingOwl account. After entering your credentials and clicking Login, you will be taken to the auction homepage. From here, it is possible to view general information about the auction or begin to browse and bid on auction items. Choose the search feature to search for a particular item by keyword, or select the View Items drop-down menu to see the categories of items. Here you can choose either to view all items or to view by category, such as antiques and art. After selecting a category, you will be taken to a page that displays basic information about each item, including the price of the current bid. Click on a particular item to view more details. Here is an example of an item. Since the auction is not live at the time of creating this video, not all information is listed, and it is not yet possible to place a bid. On this page, you will find the item name, normally accompanied by a photo, information on current bidding status and price, time remaining in the auction or time remaining until the auction starts, and an item description. In additional information, there may be notes regarding shipping or pickup. For this auction, items that can be mailed in a standard envelope will be sent to the buyer by mail following the auction, and the buyer will pay a small shipping fee. For larger items, due to social distancing, Lancaster Mennonite will be working with buyers to arrange pickup of the item once it is safe to do so. Buyer contact information is provided to us through BiddingOwl following a purchase. Since the Lancaster Mennonite auction is not currently live, I will demonstrate the bidding process using an item from a different auction. Since this item is already live, additional information is visible. In this case, the current bidding price is $13. The retail value is listed at $20. An opening bid was set at $5, which has already been exceeded but would have been the minimum for the first bidder. The $1 minimum bid increment indicates that the current bidding price must be outbid by at least $1. It is also possible to see the number of bids that have been placed on this item. For bidding, there are 2 options. One option is to place a single bid by entering an amount in the first box and clicking Bid. The other option is to enter a max bid in the lower box and click Max Bid. This second option allows the BiddingOwl system to continue the bidding process automatically by adding the minimum bid increment each time you are outbid, up to the maximum amount that you have entered. Whether entering a one-time bid or a max bid, the system requires that you confirm the bid amount by selecting OK in the dialog box that will appear at the top. In the first tutorial video, I explained the option to receive either an email or a text message when you are outbid on an item. Having selected the email option, I later received an email letting me know that I had been outbid on this item. In the text of this email, by clicking on Bid Now, you will be linked back to the auction. Here you can increase your bid on the item page, once again by entering the single bid or entering a higher max bid amount. Especially if you are bidding on multiple items during the Lancaster Mennonite auction, it can be useful to view your bidder dashboard by selecting My Accounts in the top right corner of the BiddingOwl page and selecting My Bids from the drop-down menu. Here you can manage all of the active items on which you have placed bids. I'd like to highlight one more option for supporting Lancaster Mennonite, which is already available prior to the start of the auction. On the Lancaster Mennonite auction homepage, go to the View Items drop-down menu in the top left-hand corner. At the bottom of this menu, there are several options under Fund a Need and More. Here you have the opportunity to donate to specific needs, such as contributing 1 day of world-changing education at Lancaster Mennonite for $69. To provide this generous support, simply enter the quantity of units that you would like to donate, such as 1 for 1 day of school. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add to Cart. To view the item or to complete the donation, click on the cart icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your cart, where you should be able to see the item that you have selected. For more information on how to complete this purchase or the purchase of an item won through the auction, please view the 3rd video in this tutorial series. Thank you so much for your generous support of Lancaster Mennonite. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us using the information provided at the end of this video.